Matt here with Kerick Products. Today we're going to be replacing the piston in a 1-inch Kerick valve on the Acid-Rite 2500 system. First thing we're going to want to do is remove our top tank assembly lid. And then also we're going to want to remove our solution tank lid. This lid comes off in 2 pieces. Remove those. Alright, once we've got our lids removed, now we're ready to loosen this 1-inch union. And once we've got our union loosened, we're now ready to remove our top tank assembly. Alright, with our top tank assembly removed, the next step will be to remove this cotter pin, which will allow us to remove the float ball arm, and then we can pull our piston right out of the valve. We'll take a pair of channel locks, straighten this cotter pin out. And then we should be able to slide it right out the side. Remove our float ball arm, and then remove our piston. We got our new piston here. Now we'll take our new piston, slide it back into the end of the valve, replace our float ball arm, get those holes lined up and slide our cotter pin back in. I'm going to take our channel locks and flare the end of the cotter pin back out. And we're now completed replacing our piston, and now we can replace our top tank assembly. Alright, with our top tank assembly back on, we're going to realign our plumbing. Reattach our union. Alright, next step will be to replace our lids. Alright, with our lids replaced, we have completed replacing the piston and the valve on the Acid-Rite 2500.